In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new user account inside WordPress. So the first thing you want to do is log into your WordPress site. Come down on the left-hand side and click on Users, and this is what you should see. You'll see all of your current users, their name, their email, and their role, as well as the posts that they've posted if they've posted any blog posts. So I want to add a new user. Up here at the top, I'm going to click on Add New. You can also click on Add New on the left-hand side. It's the exact same thing. And this is the Add New User screen. So the first thing I'm going to do is give the user a name. So I'm going to put in a long name. You do not want to use names like admin or administrator. Those are easily hackable usernames, and it's important not to use those names because they're very well known for WordPress and your site can get easily hacked. The next thing I'm going to do is put the email address in here. And I'm going to fill in the first name and the last name. I'm not going to put a website in here. And then I'm going to change the role to administrator. If you want to show the password, you can. It will automatically generate a password, or you can type a password in here. We highly recommend that you use some type of password generator, or you let this generate a password for you. And when you do, like for instance, I use a generator, I generate typically 30-pin passwords. And I know that that seems like a long thing, but WordPress is hacked a lot of times because of passwords. So we like to use very long, strong passwords. I'm going to delete this user after my site, so I don't mind if you see this password, but just so you know, it is important to use a very strong password and not something that you can guess and let your browser save the password when you first log in. But if you choose to use something that you can guess, or even if you think it's strong, just beware that your site needs to be updated and stuff to make sure that it is not hackable, that it can't get hacked, because easily chosen passwords are the #1 way that WordPress sites get hacked. So you can also choose to send the new user an email about their account. If you don't choose a password and you check this, then it will send them an email. They will click on the link, it will generate a password for them, and then prompt them to log in after they save that password. So I'm going to go ahead and choose a password. I'm not going to send the new user an email about this account because I'm going to delete it right after. And then I'm going to click on Add New User. And that's it. Now this user account is created, and they will be able to log into our site in our admin, and they will have all administrator purposes or privileges. If you want to change privileges or edit a user afterwards, you can come in here and edit them. You can delete them. Editing them, if you choose their user privileges, you want to change them. When you come back in here, you'll have different options. Everybody does, but you can change this to a different role. You could do editor, author, contributor. Subscriber has no access to anything in here. Editor can edit some things in here, but not all. Author can only post blog posts for you. And contributor is similar. You can look these up online to see what the differences is. If you're making a username for us to be able to log into your site, we need administrator access. You can always delete it later. So if you have any questions, let us know. We're always here to help you out. You can email us at support@yoursiteneedsme.com or give us a call or text at 517-917-0582. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, pero, like, yeah.